Hey everyone, Jess here, your Airbnb superhost and coach. And this is one of the questions I've been getting asked very, very frequently as of lately. So, Airbnb, of course, they went in and they updated their system, their platform. So, things are a little bit different if you're just now signing up for your Airbnb account, or maybe if you've been an Airbnb host for a while and now you're realizing I don't know how to get to certain things, or I can't locate how to adjust my pricing and fees and things like that. That's specifically what we're going to be going over in today's video. So this should be a very short video, but because I've been getting a lot of comments and a lot of questions saying, hey, I can't find this. It used to be in this location and now it's not there. I just wanted to make a quick breakdown and really show you where to go and what to do to actually change your pricing, your availability, where to put your cleaning fee, your pet fee, how to offer discounts like a week discount or a month-long discount, right? So just how to adjust your pricing and your pricing settings. Okay, so we're going to want to come to this page. Now, this is not super obvious when you first go into Airbnb. You would never guess that it's actually going to be under the calendar tab. What you're going to want to do is click on the calendar up here at the top, your calendar, click on your listing, and then it's going to have your settings over here on the right-hand side. Now you can see I have mine blocked off already because I'm currently not hosting for this month. But let's go ahead and talk about your availability. So this is where you can set minimum nightly stays if you want to only host your property for 30 days or more, or if you want to maybe prevent people from booking just one night stays, which is very, very common. Then you can set a minimum nightly stay to 2 nights. That way you're not having to clean and turn over the property, every single day. You're going to have people in there that are, staying for 2 nights minimum or 3 nights minimum, whatever you prefer. This is where you can adjust all your availability settings. So how much advanced notice you want to receive before someone checks into your property, how much preparation time that you need, your availability window, and then you can go into more availability settings like check-in and check-out dates, any type of restrictions that you want. If you want to connect your calendars, like let's say you also have your property listed on VRBO or HomeAway or another one of these booking platforms, then this is where you're going to connect it, is connect to another website. And I've made another video on that if you guys want me to give you a refresher as far as how to connect or sync your calendars between Airbnb and VRBO or other platforms. Just let me know in the comments and I'm happy to do that as well. Okay, and then pricing. This is where a lot of people are realizing, hey, things moved around on the Airbnb platform. It's not where it used to be. So you have to go over to calendar and then make sure you're in the pricings tab on this right-hand side here. This is where you're going to set your nightly prices, okay? And then what you can do here is set up a weekend price. I would recommend doing this because typically people are going to book on the weekend. So if your nightly price is, in my case, 145 bucks, then I would maybe make your weekend prices 175, right? Because it's going to go up a little bit. Typically, you don't want the same exact price throughout every single day of the week. You want it to be lower during the week to incentivize more people to book, when it's not, or I guess less of a popular time to book, right? And then when there's more traffic, more demand for rentals, typically on the weekend, that's where you want to go up on your rate a little bit. Smart pricing you can do if you want to have it kind of automatically fluctuate or basically be automated by Airbnb. You can select that as well. And then this is where you're going to offer your discounts. So let's say someone wants to stay in your Airbnb unit for a whole week. You can give them a discount. Again, this is just extra incentive for people to book longer stays. Let's say someone was going to book you for 5 nights or 6 nights, and then they see, hey, this person offers a discount, right? If we stay another night, we're going to get a 10% discount, something like that, right? Or a monthly discount, right? A lot of people, if they're working remotely or if they're just taking longer vacations, or professionals that are maybe visiting or traveling for work, then they're going to want to stay for longer stays, right? So you're incentivizing them to extend their stay, meaning you make more money and then the guests can save a little bit of money as well just by booking longer stays. You can set other discounts like an early bird discount, last minute, trip length, promotions if you want to run any type of promotions, guys. And then your fees. This is super important as well. Your cleaning fee that you want to set up. I've talked about this in other videos, but your cleaning fee, I would try to keep that as minimal as possible, as well as your other fees. So pet fees, extra guest fee. They added all these fees in here. This is a new feature. Airbnb didn't used to have this section, but you can add on a management fee, a community fee, a linen fee, if you get the laundry done, a resort fee. I'm gonna give you my personal opinion, my thoughts on this. As someone who's been doing Airbnb hosting and hosting my unit for going on 3 years now, maybe even four at this point, I would steer clear of all these fees. And the reason being is because people expect a cleaning fee, okay? But that's all they expect. They don't expect, let's say you had small little fees for each of these things. When a person goes to book, they're going to be expecting a certain price. Airbnb is going to show them that price. And then when they go to confirm their booking, if they're hit with all these fees and it's an extra $100 or an extra $150 because you've tacked on all these fees, the person is going to be extremely hesitant to book. You might lose yourself that booking. So I would charge a cleaning fee. You can charge $25. You can charge $50. 75 is pushing it. I definitely wouldn't. Again, this is my personal opinion. I wouldn't really go above 50. Again, when people are booking, they are looking at the total price. When they go to confirm, it's kind of a sticker shock when they get hit with a big fee on top of that, right? That maybe they weren't expecting, or whoa, things got expensive really quickly. I didn't know it was going to be that expensive. What are all these fees on here for, right? So it gives people a lot more hesitancy to book. You want this to be a seamless transaction. When they find your property, you don't want to hit them with a bunch of fees. You just want them to have a good experience, good, a good first impression of your property, and without, hitting them with a bunch of fees for, all you can get from these people, right? So it's about being a good host, being hospitable, saving your guest some money, and being able to get the bookings, for, I guess, with the people that you actually desire who are going to be good guests. Okay. So hopefully that helps, guys. If you are setting up your account, you're trying to adjust the pricing, you're putting the cleaning fee or any of the things I just mentioned, your availability, this is where to find it. I know it can get frustrating when these platforms update their whole systems and things are no longer where they used to be, but this is where it is here. We're in July of 2024 right now. So yes, so this is where it is now. If they update it, if they change it again, I'll make a new video, but this is where we're at for now. So hopefully that helps. If you guys want to set up your Airbnb account, I have a special link for you in the description. If you use that link, you guys will save $40, on your first reservation, on your first booking. You guys will get a $40 or $40 extra, I should say, right? Airbnb gives you that money. It's also going to connect you directly with me. So if you use the link below in the description of this video to sign up for your Airbnb account, it's going to connect you directly with me. That gives you access if you guys do have a question, or you want to jump on a call, or you're just struggling to set up something. Then you can message me directly on the Airbnb platform. That's the only way you guys are going to be actually connected to me, via the Airbnb platform. So I'll put that in the description. I'll put some other guides, some resources that I have available for you if you want to fast track your way to superhost status. If you have Airbnb hosting questions, if you want kind of a breakdown of how to be a good host, I'll put all that in the description for you. You can check out those links. I have a lot of free resources. I have a Facebook group, and I'm happy to make these videos for you guys. So if you have questions or anything, please do not hesitate to ask in the comments, and I'll make a video to help you out. So hopefully this is helpful. And again, ask any questions in the comments, and I'm happy to help you.